I'm Brian Davis.
And I'm Chris Lobsack. We'll share a front plank and bird tutorial with you in 3 parts. First will be a silent demo, so you can just see what's happening. Second will be an explanation of base and flyer rolls. And third, we'll bring in an additional person and show the spotting so that you have the safety cues in place. All right, step 1, entrance to front plank.
I bring my feet across the hips, feet parallel, toes in the belly.
I present my hands and hold my shape.
Bring my hands up, I bend my knees, bringing her hands into contact with mine, and then I scoop my feet, extending my legs on my arms.
I hold my shape and just feel my front plank.
Then moving arms and legs together, taking presses.
If you feel stable from the supported position, you could take the next step, which would be bird, bringing the hands free, arching the spine.
My hands always stay up for spotting, and if I feel comfortable, I can take presses.
And then if you feel comfortable, you can reach back, take a hold of the ankles, press the ankles into the hands, finding your bow.
And my action remains the same.
Releasing carefully, connecting hands.
And then bending my knees to bring the flyer's feet to the ground.
And now we're going to invite Corinne Farrell up to join us. We'll walk through the same series with a focus on spotting. As a spotter, I want to make sure I'm in close proximity to support my friends. And in this position, I take more of a goddess stance with my hands underneath. As the base and flyer move, I move along with them. I might have to adjust a little bit as they move. And I want to be far enough underneath that I can catch it in any direction it were to go. I can also help if the flyer has difficulty finding where the legs are, just helping them find their support. And my job is not done until I know the flyer is completely safe and on the ground.